Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to limit quantity in Shopify. So simply, in order to do this, you have to check your products, that how much quantity do you want to set in your products. So here you can see I have multiple products here, so every products have different quantity. So how to limit it? So just this is very simple. Just what we need to do, just you have to go to inventory option, and now here you can see I have some products here. So simply just type the quantity here and click on save button. So you can see quantity updated. So you can select all the products and just type the quantity here, and simply here type the quantity and now click on this button. So here you can see after a few seconds the quantity would be updated. So here you can see how you can limit quantity in Shopify.